Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using these 4 little boards from Dollar Tree. I started by taking Foggy colored chalk paint by Folkart and painting these little boards completely, giving them 2 coats. Next I took this 3.5 by 5.5 piece of wood from Dollar Tree and hot glued a round knob from Hobby Lobby on top of it. Then I'm taking Gorilla Grip glue as well as hot glue and putting some on the side of one of the boards, and then gluing another board across the top of that. So I'm going to be making a square out of the 4 boards using Gorilla Grip glue and hot glue to glue them together. Next, I took these 15mm half round beads and placed them along the front edge of what is going to be my lantern, just hot gluing them into place. And for extra stability, I took some small finishing nails and put them in all 4 sides of the lantern. And then I took another 4 of the half round beads and hot glued them to what is going to be the bottom of the lantern, just 1 on each corner. And then I took the same chalk paint, the Foggy colored chalk paint by Folkart, and painted this wood piece with the knob on it. And I didn't cover the bottom of it. I also went ahead and painted all of the beads on the front and the bottom. And then put some Gorilla Grip glue and hot glue on the bottom of the little wood piece and placed that on the top of the lantern. And then took white acrylic paint and a fan brush and just dry brushed some paint throughout the entire lantern just to give it a tiny bit of distressing. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.